Brother, get your ticket, 'cause here comes the future train. The ticket is love, and the engineer is called peace. The power of love is what drives the train, make the wheel go round and around, make the wheel go round and around, crashing toward the city, rushing through the state. Now wouldn't it be a pity to stop this train with a hate? 'Cause the ticket is love.